Yo, it's your boy TORqueTV and my shit just broke. Torque fam, another day, another vlog. Hold up. Who is that? Y'all see that, dog? That's Chris. Yo, hold on, dog. Yo. That's Chrissy. Oh, lordy lord. Wait, what am I doing at his house? What am I doing at your house, bro? Man, y'all about to find out, dog. Y'all about to find out, dog. All right, listen, I'm going outside. Y'all finna see. All right, man, so, hold on. Yeah. Shit was good to the Torque fam. So, remember that video where Chris got that purple sedan? And I told y'all we was gonna paint it. So, we painted it. It came out all right. You know what I'm saying? It came out all right. Or at least I think it came out all right. What y'all think? Those the wheels we put on it. What y'all think? Transformation Tuesday? Wait, hold on. Oh, she ugly on them white wheels, dog. Torque, what are you doing? Hold on. Torque, what are you doing, Torque? Why'd you do it? Oh, hold on. He got the Yoda with the BB. These BBs. These are BBS's, big fellas. But yeah, so what we about to do, we're about to get his car towed. We about to put a GSR transmission in there. And then my car about to get a clutch. So let's get straight to that tow truck, okay? She about to be back on the road soon, you heard? Oh. Full send, bro. Full send. So we at X Werkes Motorsports right now. The sedan just got here. The tow truck man bought some wings and I'm hungry, so we got a scrap. Other than that, we here. You know what I'm saying? About to get that my XD clutch put in.
Wolfpack invaded my shop, yo. About to give him a little edge right now, a little quicker braking than you want to. You'll be able to run tonight. Don't launch too hard at the track, but you'll still be able to rip on it.
I mean, I'm doing rolls though. I'm not doing digs.
Oh, so you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Shit all over my face. He tweaking. We pit stop for some food. That thing clean, big fellas. Clean. Y'all see what it is, man. Cleany. Quick update. The clutch is in. All we're doing now is putting everything back together. So I'll do a first impression in cabin just for y'all, because apparently it's gonna feel totally different. I'm gonna have to relearn the car.
He's never driven this car before. That's what's up.
Yeah, so let's just wait until everything's done. So the clutch just got done. Shout out to the X Werkes Motorsports, my boy Andy. The driver came through. Shout out to the driver. as he's opening his hood. I'm about to give y'all a review of this clutch. You know what I'm saying? Andy said it's gonna kick my butt. So, yo, this pedal feel different, bruh.
It'll feel nice and sprung now, right?
It feel like it's bouncing back. It feel like it's punching me.
There's a disc in there now.
Yo, bro, show them this. Man, this ain't even daily driver no more, dog. This is beyond me.
Yo, it's your boy TORqueTV and my shit just broke.
Yo, this feels crazy, bro. I can literally feel the difference, like in the pedal and in the car.
You should bust it that way. That road look clear. It looks clean.
I'm not busting it yet. Yeah, I gotta learn this car. Yeah, that sucks. Yo, now my car's not. Show to me. Now my car's not like jerking like it used to be. So when it's jerking like that, it means it's not grabbing?
I'm not sure. We going back down this road. Sounds so sketchy.
You started it?
This one.
No, I'm saying, did you start it?
Yeah, I started.
Oh, what's good?
My bad, bro.
My bad. I didn't know we was live in the flesh. Now we live in the flesh. This is right-hand drive. Yo, I'm scared, bro.
Open the mirrors with that button on all the way on the right top. That one, yeah.
Oh, all right, cool. You got AC, bro? Cause it's
hell yeah.
I'm trying to bake torque.
It's actually pretty decent.
Yo, this is weird, yo. Nah, bro, this is weird as shit.
The first time you go, you're gonna feel retarded.
Bro, your clutch feels
It's
like
super light. It's super light and swinging.
Where does it let out?
Towards the top, mid to top. Oh, we gotta put that e-brake down.
This is wild, yo. Bro, this is so weird, bro.
It's trippy, isn't it?
Bro. This not that bad though.
I told you, once you're going, it ain't bad.
Like, this is literally not that bad. People be complaining about this, bro.
I daily this.
I would too.
Every day.
Bro, I thought this was like way worse than this.
Nah. It's very, very doable. You're in fourth.
Oh.
You gotta go out and then down. There you go. It's on the other side.
Yo, what?
Yeah, turn signal's on the other side and the wipers go the other way.
Yo, this is too trippy. Alright, let me turn this big thing around.
This shit tiny. Oh, not compared to your hatch.
Exactly.
This shit's a boat compared to your hatch.
Because I am not going in reverse.
Nah, you fine. Hey, you would have fun going in reverse.
Alright. Let's start this again. Oh, this is smooth. Oh, I used it for the freaky though. It's freaky, bro. It's freaky. It's a very easy to drive.
Very.
Hey, officer, I'm Big Torque.
He probably thinks I'm driving.
Come
I'm holding
on,
the
bro.
phone.
Yo, can you show them how slow he's done? Yo,
What are we
man.
doing? We are doing 15 kilometers, which is like what, 10 miles an hour? I don't know. My calculations are not calculating. Really, bro? Now they're gonna think that's me, and they're gonna think that I'm a violent person.
You are.
I'm not a to my car. I'm a little violent.
Yo, I'm on the right-hand side right now, bro. Oh, I see what you mean.
That you start, you feel yourself veering.
But you like adjust to it quick.
Yeah.
I don't know. Our
Shoot over a little bit.
brains,
There's a truck.
we're young. You feel me? So our brains,
They learn quick.
Yeah, our brains just process the stuff. Yeah, I could get used to this, bro.
Hell yeah.
This is nothing. Wow. Bro, they got a K motor in there, bro. He don't want the smoke.
You don't think?
He don't want the smoke.
You don't think?
He don't want the smoke.
See if that same spot's open. Yeah, it's open.
My turn.
You wanna go?
Yeah.
Take it.
$5 for gas.
$5. He paying you. Shit.
Yo, bro,
You wanna drive mine too?
this car is a money maker.
You wanna drive mine too, big fella?
I need gas money.
Alright, cool. Oh wait, whoa. Oh, we had a meaty. Alright, see, I ain't do all that. That ain't fair. That's wild.